Hi Aquarians, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your love reading, you versus them. Okay, so we'll see what are the universe messages for you and your person today. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and let's see what is there for my Aquarians and their loved ones today. What are the love messages for my Aquarians? Six of Cups, thinking about someone from the past. Good memories sometimes really haunt us. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what do we have for my Aquarians, please. For my Aquarians and their partner and their person, whomsoever they are dealing with. Let's see. And as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay. Okay, please, let's see. Last shuffle. Page of Wands with the Knight of Wands over here. The overall energy between you both. So this is an energy where, both, it's like both are enthusiastic, both have a feeling of enjoying with each other. Both love to spend some time with each other, but it's only about, because which I can feel over here with the Knight of Wands and the Page of Wands, it might be an age difference between both of you, and more than age difference, it is like a mental, there's a difference of maturity, of understanding, because one is page and one is knight. So obviously, well, pages are really much better than knights, I would say, because knight is like, Knight of Wands is the playboy kind of a person. This person is really more into, I just want to do this right now, and they are not even thinking about the consequences. Whatever action they are taking, they don't even think about any consequences. Page of Wands is the new enthusiastic, new something, wants to enjoy a new life, but not just enter into anything like the Knight of Wands. So this is a, that kind of a maturity level between you both. It's like one is mature enough, being younger, this person is mature between you both. I'm seeing that whosoever is younger is more mature. Okay, your feelings for this person with the Devil. So this feeling is very, you're very attracted to this person. This might be, this might be physically attracted, emotionally attracted, or you are just, mentally attracted. You are like, this person is all in your head, your heart, everywhere. You see this person everywhere in your life. You see this person as someone who can be with you forever, because you might have actually had some good time with this person. So when you are, when you really love to explore, and somebody comes in your life and they help you to explore that new life, that new new world, they actually make you see. So you are like, yes, this is the person now. So that is why you are really attracted to this person. You might be dealing with a Capricorn over here. With the Ten of Cups, like how they see you, how they have feelings for you, they see you as the Ten of Cups. So this is the, this is a very beautiful card. Okay, so then what is the problem when you both have the same feelings? The Nine of Cups, this is a contentment feeling. Okay, so I'm really getting that you know, when you can achieve the 10 of cups place, it means like if you are not married and you can be married with this person. The blockage is 9 of cups over here. It's like you are content with the 9 of cups, you are happy with this only. Okay, you want this but you are happy with 9. Okay, when you actually, so I will make you understand. It's like when I have let's say when I have 9 ice creams and somebody is offering me 10th one as well, but I'm happy with 9 only. So okay, you know, you are showing gratitude for 9 only, you don't want to accept that 10, but that 10th ice cream is more good, is better, but you don't want that, you are happy with the 9 only. So are you understanding? So this is the problem over here, this is the blockage, that when you are happy with whatever God is giving you, so this is the problem, because you are in a relationship, you are in a place where you are not married. And what then, if we are not married, if we are not in that relationship of a, you know, of a serious relationship, then why to be just, you know, playing with each other's feeling? If you can give me this, then why are we happy with only 9 if you can give me the 10? Okay, so this is the problem over here. Let's clarify. Let's see why the devil is here. Why the devil is here. 9 of wands. What else do we have? 6 of swords and the king of wands. Alright, so a lot of wands energy might be dealing with a fire sign as well. So it's like you are ready to go to this person, to go towards this person, to be married with this person, to be, you know, basically be happy with this person. You are ready to just move in with this person. But the blockage, it's like, you know, somebody is not accepting, you know, somebody is showing those bad traits, somebody is not saying that okay, come, you know, it's like you are ready to go to a place, but the other person is not even telling you to do. It's like they're feeling it but they're not expressing it. Okay, they are like they're trying to avoid you sometimes, they try to block you sometimes. You're not able to understand the feeling, you're not able to understand what they actually want. Because with the king of wands, they are like you know, they are also very you know, that energy where this king is happy, this king is the king obviously, so the king can take some decisions, but this person is not taking any decisions, you know, for you, which is actually favorable to both of you together. That is why the blockage is coming up. You know, he is saying that it's enough, like if we are together this much, that's enough, we have enough time, we were happy with each other, that's fine, we can't exceed this limit, we cannot exceed this relationship. Let's see why the 10 of cups is there in their energy, their feelings towards you. 10 of cups, page of wands. See page of wands here as well, it came. So they see you as a very immature person. Yeah, they see you that you are very young, you are not able to handle the responsibilities, you need some guidance, you need some more time to be with, you know, it's like that. They see you as the happy family, you know, they see you as that they also can be happy with you as well, but still they are like, no, I cannot be with this person. Might be they are already married. Okay, so for some of you, somebody over here is already married, so that is why they are not able to give you that 10th cup in this 9 cups, because they are already married with someone else, and they might have even children with that person. So that is why it's like, okay, with the moon card over here, so something might be hidden in your life, in their life, I'm seeing, you know, something, they might have hidden something from you. So that is why they are not able to offer you that final, you know, happy ending card, happy ending life. Why this 9 of cups over here in the blockage? Why is this 9 of cups over here? The lovers and the magician. Yeah, might be a Gemini. problem over here is that love is there, but only one person out of you two is manifesting for this love. It's not the both of them. It's from one side. The other person likes it, but the other person is not manifesting. It's not like that. Okay, if you are ready with me, if you are ready to move in with me, I'm also ready. No, the other person is not saying that thing to you. The bonding is there, the attraction is there from both the sides, but only one person is manifesting. Only one person is actually wanting this thing to happen, not the other one. Page of Cups and your actions. You are the Page of Cups over here, so I am seeing that you are more in your dreamy zone. You are more in that zone where you are just feeling, you are just thinking that this person might come to me, this person might say that oh, he or she loves me, he or she wants a family with me, but this person is actually not coming. So it's more of a love card which you want from the other person. So the actions are not basically from your side, but it's more you're waiting for the other person to come to you and tell you that I love you. Let's see what else do we have with the Page of Cups over here. What else do we have? The Hierophant and the Judgment. So yeah, you are ready for basically your decision making has been done. You have decided that you want a marriage with this person, you want something healthy with this person, okay, a healthy relationship, everything with the Judgment and the Hierophant. But it's like, when are you going to propose me? When are you coming to say me that I also love you? When will you do this thing? Okay, it's a yes from my side, but what about you? So this is that thing. Five of Swords in their action. So you have to be aware over here, Aquarians, because with this Five of Swords, it's not actually looking really good to me. This person is like, how this person is in that tense mode, and like how this person is fed up with someone over here. This is that person. This is the Betrayal card. So you have to be aware, because their actions are not really looking good to me. Five of Cups, Page of Pentacles. Okay, the Empress and the Two of Coins. They really need to grow up. It's like you are offering them care, you are offering them love, which you do. You're offering them everything, every kind of care, love, growth, nourishment, everything. But what they are offering you this Page of Pentacles. Really, I mean, in front of this Empress, they are the Page of Pentacles. So it's like mature to this level and immaturity to this level. So it's like a lot of imbalances are there in this relationship, and that is why you really need to balance this thing first, and not your person. He or she needs to balance the that gap between you both. He or she needs to balance the responsibilities, needs to balance all the work, basically all the hustles and bustles of daily life. This person needs to balance first, and then this person should come to you. In the final outcome is the Knight of Swords over here. Let's see why the Knight of Swords is here. Justice and Four of Swords. So things will come towards your favor. Things will actually happen, and it will be really fast. It's like that when one person will be ready, because you are already ready with the Judgment over here, but this person needs to be ready as well. So when this person will be ready, because it is going to take a lot of time for this person to be ready, this much, like that person will run, will come running towards you. This thing has to be there, but before that, a lot of healing, a lot of thinking, a lot of thinking process, a lot of analyzing. So that also needs to be done from their end, because they are confused. They don't know what to do. They are not able to balance you and their family, you and their work. It's them who is the problem, not you. You are giving your 100% over here, okay, Aquarians? So that's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.